Hey folks, this will be a room tour of room 227 at the Quality Inn in Hermitage. So, it's a tap one. And I gotta get in here and turn the light on. Okay, so you come in, to the right is shelf and a place to put your coats and ironing board. You have the bathroom in here. They got a hair dryer, Lemire, hi folks, your towels, standard toilet. Does have a grab bar, which is good. Just a standard tub. This is older hotel. They did paint the hallways. So I got a king size bed. I'm trying to figure out how to turn the lights on. There we go. That's better. As I said, king size bed. Got some artwork. TV. Some drawers. Microwave. Refrigerator. And now we're getting dark again, so I gotta turn this light on. There we go. Coffee pot. And the view, I don't know if you can see all that. They got like, there's closets, tables and stuff. They must really be remodeling this. But some trees, nice little couch there, table, and there's the phone, some end tables, some mallard ducks. It'll suffice my needs, because I just basically need a place to put my head on the way home. A full-size thing, and I guess a joining room if you need it. I don't need joining rooms, so it's not a bad hotel. As I said, they're remodeling. They've been remodeling for years now, so it looks like they're really going to town. It's a non-smoking room, which is good. Anyhow, if you need a walker, cane, wheelchair, whatever kind of assistive device you need to make your life its fullest, it's not making you handicapped, it's making you handy capable. Thank you all for joining the room tour. Have a great day, night, evening, morning, whatever time of day you're watching, and God bless.